Hi guys, I'm River. How much do you know about the honey badger? Today, I'm going to tell you some of my favorite facts about this cool creature. The honey badger can be found from cool mountains to warm rainforests across sub-Saharan Africa, Saudi Arabia, Iran, and Western Asia. They usually travel alone, but are sometimes seen in pairs during breeding season. Do you know how the honey badger got its name? You guessed it, the honey badger loves eating honey and honeybee larvae. Honey badgers are not picky though. They will eat other things they find in the wild, including insects, small animals, and vegetation. Don't forget to download the fact sheet to learn more about the honey badger and subscribe to our channel for more facts about interesting animals and wonders of the color in the animal kingdom. See you next time!